This is the simplest way you can color grade your video with InShot app, InShot video editing app. It is very, very simple as anything simple could be. So now let's me teach you how to color grade your video from this to this as simple as possible. You open your InShot video editing app, click on video, then click on new or this plus sign, so you can choose any video at all here. But before that, let me make sure I get a video that will help you to understand more. I think I deleted some of the videos, but let me just get one for the sake of this particular teaching, for the sake of this particular tutorial. Let me get one of these videos and use it for us to do this. Okay. Now let's go back to InShot. Now let's choose this video. I think this is going to take a whole lot of our time. I didn't expect that. So what video can we choose for it? Okay. Now let's use this video now. Let's use this video for your tutorial. Make sure you click on this thing to remove this watermark. Remove the watermark. Once you click on this X now, remove the watermark. You see, the watermark is removed. Now, let me cut this video as short as possible so that you will learn what I'm teaching you. Okay. As this video is like this, you can see the color is not that, all right. It is not that fine. If you want to make this video's color to be very nice and, be very, very okay and be attractive to the eyes as a video, the only thing you have to do is click on this filter. You see this filter? Click on filter. You see filter here? You see filters I'm showing you. Once you click on the filter, you have effect, you have AI effect, you have filter, you have adjust. Now, click on this adjust. Have you seen it now? If you click on adjust or you click on filter, anyone can take you to the same place. But click on adjust. So once you click on adjust, first of all, you highlight the light. You see this first lightness. It is there. It is on lightness. Then you hide it to something like, let's say 7 in number, 7%. Let it be on 7%. Then we go to sharp. You see how I swipe? You go to sharp. The fifth tool here, the fourth tool here. You click on sharp. So once you click on sharp, you raise it to something like, let me say 10 and mark this good. Mark this good. Then come to contrast. You see this contrast. See the contrast here. Raise it to something like, okay, let's leave it at 20. Then go to warmth. Let's get it to -5. Then go to saturation. Let's raise it to something like 4 or 2. Have you seen it now? As simple as anything. It is not that hard. Have you seen it now? Have you seen it now? Very nice, very good looking. The color is very good. You see the color now? Everything's showing so clear. Showing so clear. Now, let's say that you don't like what you have done and you want to edit that color grading. You can still click on filter again. Point this thing. Click on the filter. You see the filters, I'm clicking on it now. Then click on edit. Have you seen it now? From this edit now, you can actually remove it high or low. You can high it or lower it. You can see it high, lower, plus, minus. Have you seen it now? You can also go to this contrast, high it or lower it, high it or lower it, high it or lower it. So that is it. You can go to warmth, lower it the more or high it. You see the effect as it is showing. You can go to saturation, high it or lower it, high it or lower it. That is how to do it here. go to sharpness or sharpen, high it or lower it. So it is actually as easy as anything. That is how to color grade your videos or maybe pictures, anyone you want. Thank you so much and keep up. Make sure you follow us for more videos.